Okay, we're going to be doing a chicken kebab in the air fryer. We have 2 tablespoons of nice double thick Greek yogurt. We're going to add to that about 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and about half a teaspoon of nice Italian herbs. Mix it all in. We're going to add 1 clove of garlic, crushed. You can use dried garlic, but fresh garlic is always just a little bit better. It's got a bit of a better taste. And now I've already cubed our chicken. I've used 2 chicken fillets, and you can see, cut them into nice kebab style cubes. We add that to the marinade. Make sure it all gets coated nicely with the yogurt and all the spices. And now we're going to leave that to just gently marinate room temperature for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. The longer it marinates, the better it's going to soak into the chicken. Okay, I've had some kebab sticks. They've been soaking for about half an hour in water. Our marinade has been going for about 2 hours now. Now we're going to start to do the kebab. I've cut some coarse pieces of onion. So, piece of onion, and we just feed our pieces of chicken onto the kebab sticks until we got them completed. I haven't done the kebab sticks, the kebab pieces too thick, so that they'll cook nicely and evenly when we do them. They're going to go in the air fryer, and we're looking at possibly 6 minutes at 180 degrees. Turn it another 6 minutes, and then we'll see how it is from there, whether it needs to go any further.
How many chicken breasts?
We did 2 chicken breasts. It's a little bit messy, but there we go. Okay, our kebabs went 6 minutes at 180 degrees. Then we turned. Then we did another 6 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We turned it again, and we did a further 3 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius.
Just to crisp up.
Just to get it nice and crispy and looking good. Here they are, looking fantastic.